Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here, and today we are going to make a very simple unboxing for my new modern keyboard with fingerprint ID from Microsoft. Yeah. Well, firstly I just wanted to buy a Touch ID for my laptop, but since my laptop is ultra thin, ultrabook, so it didn't have the additional space to let me insert a USB Touch ID. So I thought, why not buying a fully wireless Bluetooth capable keyboard that has an elegant design and has a numerical keyboard, which I really needed as well, all over with Touch ID. Yeah, I would be able to authenticate myself using my fingerprint via Bluetooth. This is really huge for me, my friends, in addition to the elegant design, rechargeable, so let's get into it. Check this out, my friends. It's a glorious, clean, elegant design, my friends. It's extremely lightweight. Really, it looks big and you feel like it's gonna be hefty, but it's not. It's very lightweight, my friends. Very thin as well. And this tip on the back that in-house the lithium battery, I think will be really nice to let the keyboard be a little bit down, helping you for a better typing experience. It's almost silent. There is no much noise coming out of it. It has a locking button, so whenever I press this, I lock my computer and I get authenticated using the Touch ID. Yeah, it's something like 007. Check this out. No one would be able to recognize that this is really a Touch ID, my friends. It looks familiar like the rest of the buttons. So here is the on and off switch, very tiny one, inspired from Apple, I have to assume that. It's very tiny. Looks like the shuffle on iPod or something like that, but it's really inspired by Apple, this very tiny one. USB micro for recharging, and you have to connect it via the cable the first time to be able to pair it with your device. Oh, check this out, my friends. They are also making the Multimedia Keys main feature of the function keys, and in order to press F1, F2 or F4 or whatever, you have to press function and F. So yeah, we are in 2017, 2018, we need the multimedia as a top priority. Who needs F key buttons unless you are some IT or something? So it's really nice. Play and pause, forward and backward, mute, search, control panel, you name it. This keyboard is fantastic, my friends. So here is the cable with a color matching. Wow, nice cable management here. Alright, tiny plastic grip for cable management. It's really nice. I won't throw it away. I will be able to use it to manage my cables. Alright, so here is a cable, very long one. Very long one, my friends. So in case the keyboard ran out of juice or something, you would be able to still use it via the provided USB micro cable. Nothing else inside. So I guess this is the paperwork, manual or something. Yeah. So this is a whole bunch of paper, quick user guide and manual. As always, that was it, my friends. This is my new Microsoft Modern keyboard with fingerprint ID. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up if you like the video, and for sure subscribe for more. That would be so much helpful. And don't hesitate to leave your comments and ask about anything you need down below. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.